Namaskar, myself Dr. Anil Alawat, Dean Academics Kite Group of Institutions, Ghaziabad. Kite Group of Institutions has been offering online theory classes to the students during the COVID-19 lockdown period using various online tools like Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, etc.
The next important thing that we have is the theory of the bitumen ductility test. Now we can see that it has been very beautifully listed that what are the three most important properties that a good bitumen should have.
Going a step ahead, the institute is now enabling its students to undertake labs and carry out practical assignments from home through virtual labs. We are one of the few educational institutions in the state who is providing practical classes to the students in an online mode.
Good morning, dear students. Today I'm going to discuss the experiment of hydraulic ram on this virtual setup.
Virtual Labs is a project which is initiated by the MHRD Government of India under the National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. These labs are developed by various IITs across the country in different areas in virtual mode. Kite Group of Institutions is the nodal center of Virtual Lab IIT Delhi.
All the students of KIET in all the branches are using the virtual lab for their practical assignments during the lockdown. During this COVID-19 lockdown, teachers inform students about the experiment and guide them online. Students are getting dual assistance from their teachers as well as from the virtual lab. Virtual lab portal are accessible to students anytime from anywhere and are absolutely free. All the departments at KIET group of institutions are using different virtual lab platforms for enhancing the practical exposure during lockdown. Mechanical engineering department using SCUST virtual lab for conducting different experiments like performance characteristic of hydraulic ram, double acting reciprocating pump, etc. Electrical engineering department using virtual lab developed by IIT Bombay for giving practical exposure in different core areas like electrical machines, power system, etc. CS department, IT department, and MCA department using virtual lab resources developed by IIT Bombay for completing experiments for the students in areas like peer-to-peer topology, star topology, IP addressing, IP subnetting, window file sharing, etc. Civil engineering department used virtual lab for completing the experiment in different subjects like strength of material, and ductility test to determine ductility value. And our electronics and communication engineering department using virtual Amrita laboratories and virtual labs developed by IIT Kanpur for conducting experiments in different areas like frequency modulation, Nyquist plot, root locus, demodulation, etc. Thanks to all the team of KIET for putting a lot of effort during this lockdown period for helping the students. Thank you. Thanks to